let's work number 2. We have a similar situation here. There's a couple factors that are in our denominator. So the factors there would be, you have a 2 and a v. 2 times v, and if you look here, you have a 2 and you also have a v. Okay, so there's some repetition there, some repeated factors, which means if I multiply every single one of these by 2, I'll get rid of pieces of 2 different denominators. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, so those cross out or divide out, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1 here, so I get rid of that one as well. It leaves me with 5v minus 10 over v equals, or not equals, should just be plus 1 equals, so 2 times 5 is 10v, and then 2 times 20 is 40, all divided by v. Okay. And I don't know if you're thinking, hey, 5v, v over v, I can get rid of that v right now. The answer is no, you can't. Don't do that. You still have to multiply every one of these by v. Okay? Unless you could take it out of both the 5v and the 10, you can't just divide something out unless you can divide it out of both of those. So we're going to multiply by v there, and there, and there, and it gets rid of a v there, and gets rid of a v there. Another way of thinking of this is you're only going to multiply that term by v, or there's only going to be a v being multiplied at the end when it's all said and done, if there wasn't a v in the denominator before. Okay, so you notice all those denominators go away, and all I have left is this 1 being multiplied by a v here. So combine like terms, 6v minus 10 equals 10v plus 40. Right, I'm going to rearrange some equations here. 4v will be on the left, and negative 50 will be on the right, and negative 50 will be on the left. Divide by 4. You get v equals negative 50 over 4, which is equal to negative 25 over 2. You could make that say negative 12.5 if you wanted. Okay? And we check to make sure it doesn't cause any problems in our denominators, and it doesn't. You do 2v, 2 times negative 25 over 2, it's not going to give you a negative, or a 0 in the denominator. So that is your solution.